ready for racing. Racing just is started. We have deceiving break quickly at the start. Boom, boom, boom. Miss on the outside. Nash. Big bang bong in between horses. Rushing up now at the outside is Iconic. Lifetime comes next. Sir Ferdinand. Inner class. Ikaw ha. While Elgin and Chairman is the early trailer by about 10 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have deceiving more length and a half. Nash moving up now at the outside is Iconic. 4 lengths further back in fourth comes Boom Boom Boom. Running by the rail is Big Bang Bong. Then next on line is Lifetime. Sir Ferdinand comes next. Inner class Ikaw ha. While Elgin and Chairman is still running at the tail of the field. Back to the leader, we have deceiving maintaining a 3/4 of a length lead. Nash in second, and here comes Big Bang Bong now starting to put big strides. Sir Ferdinand, Lifetime is on the outside. Iconic Inner class. Then next online now is Ikaw ha. While Elgin and Chairman is still racing in less, and they are now entering the home stretch. Deceiving Nash. Then here comes Big Bang Bong now moving up on the outside as they swing for home. We have deceiving Big Bang Bong moving up now on the outside and now saying it's my turn to take the lead. We have Big Bang Bong followed by Nash Inner class, and finally Big Bang Bong, Nash Inner class. Then comes number 8, Sir Ferdinand, deceiving, and Lifetime.